Ready to put in some work, Nemo?
Yeah.
We're gonna put in a strong 5 hours. I thought I was gonna finish this side, but instead, we're gonna do some real plumbing. See how much of this mains I can get up. 4-inch cast iron to 4-inch PVC transition fitting. Got the corner locked in. Nemo's getting attacked by mosquitoes. Now let's do the drop. Got the stack tied in. We're gonna be moving down the line. We're 2 hours in. Mosquitoes are getting them. Ready? Okay. We're on hour number 5. All right, we came up on 11 a.m., 5 hours, lick it and stick it. Got a couple of loose ends on this side, but for the most part, not too shabby for 5 hours. I told you I was feeling spicy. Back home, I still got 13 hours left of the day to hang out with your sister and her kids. Enjoy the Sunday.